Morning, students. Yes, what you learned in the previous class? Yes, we started pronoun. Is it right? We started pronoun in the previous class. Even you learned personal pronoun. So, first person, second person, third person. These things already you learned in the previous class. Okay. Even you learned singular and plural also. In each person, you have already learnt singular and plural. Is it right? So, first person pronouns I, my, me, mine, myself. These are singular. Okay. What are the singular in first person? I, my, me, mine, myself. That's like plural. We, our, us, ours, ourselves. These are plural in first person. Let's go to the second person. You, your, yours, yourself. These are singular. Okay. Tell me. You, your, yours, yourself. These are singular. Let's like come to the plural. You, your, yours, yourselves. These are plural nouns. Okay. Let's come to the third person. He is, him, himself. She, her, hers, herself. It, its, itself. These are singular in third person. So let's write plural. What are the plurals? Look here. They, them, their, theirs, themselves. These are plural. Let us see the use of personal pronouns. The use of personal pronouns. Let's see how to use the personal pronouns. First, I, we, he, she, and they. They are used as subjects. So I, we, he, she, they used as what a subject. Is it understand? Used as a subject. Here, then let's see what second one. Me, us, him, her, them. Me, us, him, her, them. How to use? Are used as an object. Okay. First line, those are subject. In second line, those are called object. Is it understand? Okay. Let us see subject, then verb, then object. Look at the picture. I, we, then he, she, they. See here. I, we, he, she, they. These are a subject. So take one helping verb or main verb. I like. Then here also like. But he likes because singular. She also singular. For this reason, we have to write singular. Likes. Okay. Let's see next. They like. Here, I like. I like him. Yes. Where is the him? Look at him in the object line. Where is him? Yes. I is in subject line. Okay. I is a subject. Then like is a verb. Then him is a object. What is last? which things comes last, that is called object. Okay, that is called what? Object. Then we like them. Look there, where is them? Where is them? Yes, them, that is an object. Then he that is a subject. He likes her. He likes her. Okay, then she likes me. She likes me. Then they like us. Okay. Is it understand? Subject, verb, then object. Is it? It is a second. First is over, second is over. Let us see third one. See, for example, I want. Himself, 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 then me. See here, if you want to write in these are the three. If you want to write, you select three words. What word you select? I walk. Just telling about yourself. I means telling about me only. So I walk, himself, myself, what? Myself. I walk myself. I walk myself. Then he walks. What you write here? Yes, he walk himself. Is it understand? I walk myself. He walks himself. Then she talks. What? Herself. Did you understand? This like got to write. Okay. Let's see next. Third one. My, mine, our, ours. Then your, yours. Just these pronouns try to use in your own sentence. Okay. Yours, his, her, hers. Then it, itself. Okay. They, theirs are used to express, are used to express, are to express ownership. Ownership. See here. For example, this is my book. Okay, is it right now? This is my book. What is it? This is my book. So then, that is her pen. That is her pen. Then this is our house. This is our house. See here, how to make that? This is my book. This, this book is this book is so my what pronoun you have to take? My is there, mine is there, our, ours, yours. So here in those pronouns, in those personal pronouns, what you have to write here? This is book. This book is here. My is there. What you write here? This is this book is mine. This book is mine. Okay, don't write myself. In their place, don't write myself. This book is mine. Then That pen is that pen is yes, you have to write it. That pen is hers. Okay. Then this is our house. This is our house. This house. This house is ours. Okay. This sorry, ours. That ours. This is our house. Does it understand? Okay. How to use the personal pronoun? Let's see some example. I saw it. I saw it. What you write? I saw it myself. I saw it myself. Don't write ourselves or anything is there. Okay, then we saw it ourselves. 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 Okay, then you saw it yourself. You saw it yourself. Then she saw it. What do you write? Herself. In hers. What do you write here? She saw it herself. Then he saw it. He is there. What do you write here? Himself. Then they saw it. What you have to write here? Yes, themselves. Okay, themselves. Does it understand? This like you have to use the word. Okay. Let us see some more examples. Just look at the examples. I am going to write some examples on the board. Look at first one. The teacher asked dash a question in the bracket. He, him, then his. Let's see second example. This is dash pen. Here what you have to write here in the bracket. She, her, then hers. Third one. This pen is dash she, her, hers. Let's see fourth example. I am dash sincerely. So you, your, yours. Next, he did this work in the bracket. Myself, himself, then herself. Okay. Then sixth example. Anita has hurt she, hers, then herself. Then seventh one. Look at the seventh one. Shall finish this work today. In the bracket, we, us, then our. Look that. Next. Eighth one. I looked at dash in the mirror. In the mirror. So here my, mine, myself. So just look at these sentences. What you have to write in the blank. So here the teacher asked he, him, is. In those words, what you have to write? He, him, his. Come on, tell me. Which word you have to write? The teacher asked him a question. You have to write him. Don't write he or is in this place. That is wrong. If you write he or is in that place, that is wrong. So the teacher asked him a question. Okay. Okay. Him. Then this is dash pen. Sheena, her, hers. This is her pen. What you have to write? This is her pen. Okay. Then the pen is Sheena, her, hers. What you have to write? This pen is hers. This pen is hers. Okay. Then I am sincerely. You, your, yours. What? I am your sincerely. I am you, don't write. I am your sincerely. What you have to write? Come on, tell me. Yes. Look at continue. I am yours or you are your. What do you have to write? I am your sincerely. Okay. I am yours sincerely. Then he did this work. What you have to write in 3 words? Yes, he did this work himself. Himself. Is it understand? Then Anita has hurt. She hurt herself. What you have to write? Anita has hurt herself. Okay. Anita has hurt herself. Then shall finish this work. We, us, our. What you have to write? We. We shall finish this work today. Is it understand? Then I looked at dash in the mirror. My, mine, myself. What you have to write? Yes, I looked at myself or mine. Yes, I looked at myself. You have to write what? Myself in the mirror. This like you have to use the pronouns. Does it understand? Okay. Okay, is it understand how to use the pronouns, personal pronouns? Okay. Just try to practice at home. Okay. Without try, you can't learn. You have to practice first. Okay. Then pronoun after that adjective. What is next part of speech? Adjective. What is adjective? What is adjective? It describes a noun or pronoun. See here. Adjective means what? It describes a noun or pronoun, that is called adjective. That is called what? Adjective. Okay. For example, it is nice thing. Okay. He is a good man. Okay. Then she looks beautiful. Then this is hard. Then Rita is an honest girl. See here, it is it describe a noun or pronoun. Okay, it describe what? Noun or pronoun. In the first example, noun is there or pronoun is there. Come on, tell me what is in the first sentence and what is adjective. So try to identify that. First thing is what? What it is. First thing is noun or pronoun it is. It is a pronoun. It is a pronoun. Then nice it is what? Nice. Yes, it is a adjective. This word describe what? Pronoun. Yes, how it is? It is nice thing. How how thing is? Yes, it is a nice thing. Then he is a good man. He is a good man. Here good. Good it is a adjective word. This word describe what? He. He it is what? He that is a pronoun. Okay. Then she looks beautiful. She looks beautiful. Here beautiful it is what? Adjective word. It describe what? She. She it is a pronoun. Then this is hard. This is hard. Okay. Or it is a what? It is a adjective. Yes, this describe a personal pronoun. It comes in a personal pronoun. Okay. Reflective pronoun is there. So it is also pronoun. Then Rita is an honest girl. Rita is an honest girl. Here Rita it is a noun. Honest is a adjective. Okay. Is it understand? Adjective means it describe a noun or pronoun. It describe a noun or pronoun called adjective. Is it understand? This like some more examples you have to collect. You have to collect adjective examples. Okay. And adjective words. And adjective words collect. Collect idea. Collect 10 adjective examples. You have to write here examples. Okay. What you have to collect? You have to collect 10. You have to collect 10 adjective examples. Even you have to practice personal pronouns. How to use, way to use, maybe myself, herself, our, ours, it, itself. Okay. He, himself, his self, is so let us see, let's practice way to use those are the things. Okay, see you in the next class.